Okay, say hi to my vlog. If you say hi to my vlog, I'm gonna give you banana. Say hi to my vlog. You need to say hi to them. Hi. Say hi to them. Hi. If you say hi, if you wave your hand, I'll give you banana. I'm sorry. Can I say sorry? Can I say sorry to you? You don't need to get angry. Okay? Are you mad at me? Don't say bad words. You want banana? I know you want it. Okay, I'll give you banana, but just half. Okay? Is this okay to you? Is this okay? Answer me. Is this okay? Madam Marian? Okay. Just one bite. Ow. 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 Can I hear your bite? Ow. Okay, bite. Bite it na. Tita is not angry na. Tita loves you. Oy! Okay na, eat na. Tita loves Mariam na eh. No? Okay na. You eat na. This is for you. I'm just joking. Kiss mo muna si tita. Kiss mo muna si tita. Have a bite na. Have a bite. One bite only, okay? One bite for Mariam. I thought you like it. Can you sing? Can you sing? Mariam, can you sing for tita? What's this? Wow. What's that? Do. Re. Mi. Fa. Pag ako nanggigil sa'yo, Mariam, I'll squeeze you. I'll squeeze you. I'm gonna squeeze you. Malapit na ako manggigil sa'yo. Huh? I will squeeze Mariam. Loko. Clown? Ha? Tita is clown? Ha? Okay. Eat na. Eat banana na. Eat na. Eat na. Eat na. You don't like banana? I'll give it to Tita Joey. Bahala ka dyan. Ayaw mo kumain. Hi! How are you? Say hi to them. Mariam. Mariam. Hi! And who's that? Is that Mariam? Mariam? Is that Mariam? Is that Mariam? No?
Ayaw niya sa akin. Di kami bate.
Ayaw niya kay Tita Joey. That's Tita Joey. Why you're pinching me? Why are you pinching me? Tita Ma, you're pinching Tita Ma. Eat na. Eat na. Ayaw mo naman eh. Mag-play tayo. Bato, bato, pick. Ay. I can do that. I can also do that. What's that? What kind of game you want? What's this? 1. Let's count your fingers. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, an 8, a 9, a 10. Let's do the shake hands. Hi, baby Maya. My name is Myla. And what about you? What's your name? Tell me about yourself. What do you do? What do you do for a living? Huh? What makes you busy? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite number? Where do you live? Who's your mother? Gigigil ako sa iyo. Ako nagigigil na ako sa batang to. Sobrang gigil na ako sa iyo. Para kang bola. You're like a ball. You're like a ball. You're like ping pong ball. Ping pong ball. You know what ping pong ball? Bite ka na. Bite. Alam mo yung tinitingnan kayo tapos parang nakakaloko yung tingin niya. Siguro sabi niya, baliw na yata itong kausap ko. Okay. Nga! Say nga! Say nga! Say nga! Say it. Okay? If Tita Joey is pretty, say nga. Ay, hindi siya nagsabi, be.
Ayaw mo naman akong kausapin. Oh, tingnan mo.
No, don't get scared. She's just a monster. It's okay, baby. Don't get scared. She will not bite you. Okay? Ako? Ako o ikaw? Ako o ikaw? Ako o ikaw? What do you want? Tell me what you want, what you really, really want. Tell me what you want, what you really, really want. Tell me. What? What's that? Ang lamig naman ng paa ng batang to. Mia, wala bang medyas to? Promise, ang lamig ng paa niya. My baby. My baby. My baby Mariam. My baby Mariam. Binigyan ka na saging ng nanay mo, hindi ka na mo kumain. Hanapan mo medyas to, be? Auntie, medyas. Ayun o, dito. Kuha ka medyas. Lamig ng paa. Tita Monster, can you bring some socks?
Where?
Because your socks. Charot. Thank you, Tita Monster. Say thank you to Tita. Tita Monster, thank you. Say thank you. No, it's okay. She won't bite. She will not bite you.
Ako ba tintik? Don't worry, you won't see me after 3 months.
It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Okay? I will save you from her. I go. Coco? Coco melon? You like coco melon? Coco melon? Who is coco melon? Oh! Say like that. Do it. Okay? You need to learn whatever I'm teaching you. Okay? Ma. Say ma. Ah, ito na. Kasi ang lamig ng paa mo. Okay? See your feet? It's cold. Like an ice. Ice cold. Ice cold melon. Coco melon. Call mo na si Tita Monster. Tita Monster. Tita Monster. Ayun na. Okay. Ako melon. Ako melon. Ako melon. Alam mo ikaw, ano ka talaga. Ayan na. Ano ka talaga sa akin eh. Hindi mo naman kinain. Malaki ka na. You're a big girl. You can hold it and eat it by yourself. Okay? This is how you hold it. Hold it and eat it. You need to eat that. Peel it and eat it. You don't know how to peel the banana? Peel like this. 1. I'll teach you how. 1, 2, and 3. And then have a bite. Pwede ba Tagalog na lang? Can you speak Tagalog? Because Tata is tired of talking to you in English. Wow! Tita Joey, look, oh. Look at her. Oh.
Wow, so pretty.
See?
How pretty. Who's that pretty girl? Huh? Who's the pretty girl who's eating banana?
You look like a rabbit. Look like a rabbit. Rabbit who's eating banana. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.